my name's Moira and I'm so happy I get to sing with you today. What's your name again?
Hotron David.
Well, it's very nice to meet you and thank you,
You
so
too.
much for choosing to sing
Thank
Ikaw
you
at
too.
Ako with me.
You're welcome.
Sabi nila, balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling.
At nang dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikubli.
Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kung sakali mang ika'y